to Sarasota Home Specialist New Construction Spotlight. I'm Nikki Betz, team lead, and I'm ecstatic to show you this newly developed community of Aria in Nokomis by Neal Communities. Conveniently located 5 miles from Nokomis Beach, Venice Beach, and moments away from the new upcoming Sarasota Memorial Hospital, location is most definitely a top feature of Aria. With the majority of the lots providing pristine views and privacy, you can't go wrong in choosing your new build. The amenity center is true to Neal Communities' active and resort-style living. Fitness center, tennis courts, resort-style pool, areas to bathe in the Florida sunshine, community fire pit, the options are endless. Neal Communities is one of our buyers' top choices when it comes to tract builders. Aria provides options from the mid-400s with 2 bedrooms and 3 bedroom options, as well as 2 and 3 car garage choices. We are in the Vincenzo model today, featuring 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 3 car garage, plus a den. The split floor plan provides privacy for guests or children and a serene master suite for you. This is one of the most popular floor plans as it provides a luxurious feel with its open floor plan, expansive lanai views with plenty of space to entertain. For more information on Aria or other Sarasota-Bradenton area communities, give Sarasota Home Specialist a call or DM us.